But I want to ask you guys. Now I've been here for some time in your farm. I want to ask you all a little bit about your journey as well.
Ajinkya first left his job and came to the farm, and I think 2 years into that, I joined him. And I think
So you left a job first.
Correct. So both of us did our MBAs. Both of us were working with banks, and
'Cause from a bank, even I would pretty much done the same thing. But it just seems like I still made a transition to India. You've made a transition into like
Bharat.
Bharat, literally. This is a very, very different world.
Yeah, we were sons of farmers,
Correct.
and we were kind of educated in a city. Like you said, we were doing a job, and into the job, I think 4-5 years, we realized that the time we spent on the farm was much more interesting when we came for our holidays out here, and we enjoyed just being in the farm and in the village. And we took that concept of one life to live very seriously. So we realized that there's only one life we have, and we would rather spend it doing something we love. Though if there is unpredictability and there is a risk element, there is no structured career growth in that, rather than spend it in something that society wants us to do, which is very predictable. And then I think we left out there.
But isn't it a financial risk that I'm assuming the MBA ke baad jo bhi whatever jobs that you all were doing was be slightly lucrative. So taking that risk of leaving everything and coming here, what was the financial call like?
so both of us, I think, had been into a job. Him for a 7-8 years, me for a 2 to 3 years, and always debating. If we leave this, how do we play out that risk? So which is why I left my job first, while he still continued doing his. And the first few years, so we had no credentials in agri. When we came to farming, no degrees as BSc Agri, MSc Agri. So we took to farming afresh, and the study of all the elements in the farm is what convinced us to take that risk, irrespective of how financially it would play off.
It was challenging, no doubt, financially. It was not like we had a lot of money or we had earned a lot of money. It had been only 4-5 years that we were doing a job. And back at this end, our parents are farmers. So farming in the last 40 years has not really generated a lot of revenue for farmers. So it was not like we had a very financially sound background also.
आप जब वापस यहाँ आए into the farm, did you ever feel कि for even like at any point that I want to go back to the city life, like this is too difficult?
Did you feel that?
So for the first, when we came back, for the first 4 years, it was pure farming and selling it to the local mandi and local markets. So those first 4 years were challenging in terms of financially. We never received the right value for the produce, but never really thought of leaving and getting back to doing a job. I think somewhere mentally we had burned the bridges. We had decided that there would be no plan B, and out of love,
But honestly, there were instances where those experiences did make us look and think twice.
हाँ, because I'm sure बोलना आसान है, अरे I left everything and I'm now only in this part, but realistically थोड़ा तो होता ही है. मेरा भी दिमाग में आया था when I left the US job and came back to India, थोड़ा तो वो feeling आता ही है.
People around us cannot comprehend that. So be it the family or our parents, was difficult for them to comprehend why are we doing what we are doing.
Support मिला family से या नहीं?
हाँ?
Support मिला?
नहीं. मतलब honestly नहीं मिला. But
अब मिल रहा है?
हाँ, अब मिल रहा है. Now they're seeing things shaping up and they're seeing validation coming from different quarters. So अब मिल रहा है. But parents were pretty kind of pissed off when we took the decision to come back, and dad was fuming because
and
he had
both children, like if it was like एक कर रहा था, एक तो कमा रहा at least.
और दोनों मतलब मिलाए जॉब अच्छे बैंक में छोड़ के वापस आ रहे हो. खेती में तो कुछ सोशल रिस्पेक्ट नहीं है, कुछ इकोनॉमिक कुछ है ही नहीं है. So they were very, very concerned. They were like, either something has gone wrong with you all, and the world is moving from the village to the city, and you want to come back. So actually इसने बहुत गाली खाया है because he left first. If I did a safe landing, when all the forced uncut.
Who's the elder brother?
That's like
Who do you think?
I mean, because of your beard, you look slightly older, I guess.
Yeah, but I'm the younger one.
Okay. So I do the same thing.
I'm the elder one.
Oh yeah?
You do the same?
No, my brother, I also have an elder brother.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. But I always like let him make the mistakes first, get abused. And then when I do it, it's an expectation ki ab to they're used to it, the parents. So it becomes easier.
In our case, it was the other way around. He went, the younger one went.
So the first few nights when I came back, every night was like, you know, dad had his own set of vocabularies.
Which we had never heard before.
And the desi way.
Can we hear something?
I mean, he'll be
Tujha
all
maa.
beat everywhere. Like, Kamino kya kar rahe ho?
The best part about parents abusing is that they can't say like parents को गाली ना, you know, usually होता है. लोग अपने आप को हो जाएगा.
And what did your parents say, man?
No, parents have always been like ये पूरा पागल है.
Oh yeah. But yeah, we saw that avatar, and yeah, I think that was some time.
But what was the, like for me personally, when I moved from US to India, and for the first 1 year, fully, more than a year, I did not make any money, zero money. Like, and I was making, not to brag or anything, I was making quite a lot of money in the US.
I can imagine McKinsey and MBA.
So, my one thing which used to happen was, there was a complex which I was had like little bit with friends also, कि आप LinkedIn में देखते हो कि आपके वही सेम McKinsey फ्रेंड प्रमोट होके मैनेजर बन गए हैं या प्रमोट होके एसोसिएट पार्टनर बन गए हैं एंड आपको पता है कि सैलरी उनको कितना जंप हुआ है. Literally, I'm like stating figures because my friend's salary is not mine. They were like making 3-4 CR per year.
Wow.
And I am making 0 CR per year, 0 rupees per year. So, and you know that if you were in the US, you could have made something similar. So that complex or that feeling कि you are pinching money and when you know कि small things कि आपको phone भी खरीदना है तो आप 4 बार सोच रहे हो phone खरीदने के पहले, चाहे जितना ही आप cool बोलो कि नहीं नहीं everything was fine, तो आप लोग को लगा था कि जब आप वापस आए कि आप देख रहे हो अपने फ्रेंड्स और जो कलीग्स हैं आपके वहाँ पर, हो सकता है आपके जूनियर एम्प्लॉयज आप सीनियर बन गए, वैसा कुछ फीलिंग आया था?
Back at home with dad being angry and then with friends not being much in touch. But when I used to come to the farms out here, and then again that, you know, that question and the curiosity about farming, organic, what crops to take, that was so interesting that for some time when we were out here, I mean, in that day when we were out here, it kind of kept us away from all those thoughts.
लगता तो था, I though felt it like crazy. It was difficult, no doubt. And yeah, I mean, when did you leave? How many years back?
It's very recent. Till last year I was in the US. So I actually
You must be going through it now, the grind yet.
हाँ वही चल रहा है अभी. तो last year March 2023, actually for me it was very quick. March 2023 I left the US. In fact I was still at my notice period at McKinsey because 2 महीने का notice period मिलता है, while I made the Bonvita video. So when I made that Bonvita video, which like, you know, blew up, I was still officially employed by McKinsey in the US.
Oh.
So it was pretty crazy. Everything happened very quick. And US में भी जो मेरे employee जो मतलब colleagues लोग थे, उन लोगों को लगा ये कर क्या रहा है, suddenly consultant था सर, अगला दिन ये
चिल्ला रहा है,
food farmer बन गया. ये है क्या, what is food farmer, and like, you know, they all very confused कि what is happening with this guy. And all over LinkedIn, everything is getting blown up, this, that. So it was a very, very crazy time. And what people don't know is within 2 to 3 weeks of me coming back from the US, I had suddenly become the face of food safety in India within
Wow.
2 weeks. 2 weeks ago, no one knows me. 2 weeks later, I am essentially the unofficial face of food safety. I've received 4 to 5 legal notices from major companies. When I quit my job, or when I left my job in the US, it was not just leaving a job. It was a decision that I will never do a job again. It was not just leaving that job, because when you make a video like that, which is so controversial, no company wants to rehire you, because they are afraid कि no big company wants to get the headache of a guy who fights against companies. especially now, touchwood, things are slightly better. Or like in terms of like, you know, people accept what I'm doing and they understand why I'm doing what I'm doing. But at that time, Bonvita said कि मेरा वीडियो साइंटिफिक नहीं है. तो आप मेरा गूगल करो नाम, रेवंत हिम्मत सिंह का गूगल करो. The first article that was coming up was, this guy receives a legal notice and his video is not scientific.
Oh wow. So who put this up? Google.
But like
or-
media articles, like, you know.
Okay.
Because that time that was the news. So my point is, hypothetically, if I'm going for an interview, background check में आ रहा था ना कि ये video scientific नहीं है, ये company का लड़ रहा है. So I would have no credibility. So it was a very, very risky.
But you did this video when you were in the US or when you
No, I came back to India and then I did it.
And within 3 weeks, all this started off.
Yeah.